Good afternoon to everyone. This is Mansa from class 9 from Brilliant Grammar High School. Today's topic is poverty. Firstly, what is poverty? Poverty is about not having enough money to meet the basic needs like food, cloth and shelter. Causes of poverty: physical disabilities, food insecurity, lack of access healthcare, social injustice, lack of government support, etc. How to prevent poverty? Invest and implement agricultural programs, encourage other countries to engage in trade, educate everyone, provide equal access to healthcare and education, provide access to technology, improve economic growth, and lastly, poverty is not the problem of a person but the problem of whole nation. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Varalakshmi from 9th Standard, St. Elizabeth Convent English Medium High School, Borgir, Telangana. Now I am going to speak about poverty. Poverty is a state or condition in which a person or community lacks financial resources and essentials for the minimum standard of living. Poverty means that the income level of an employee is very low that can't meet the basic needs of livelihood. Poverty-stricken people and family might face many problems like without proper health care, proper housing, sanitization, clean drinking water and healthy food. Each nation has its own threshold which determines how many of its people are living in poverty. India is a developing country. Although its economy is growing, poverty is still a major problem. Poverty is declining in India. It has around 84 million living in poverty, which means 6% of its population. After the COVID pandemic, the estimation of poverty is increased to 90 million to 115 million. Some of the major poverty removal programs of India: National Food for Work Program, Swaran Jayanti Gram Swarozgar Yojana, Sampurna Gramina Rozgar Yojana, Rural Housing Indira Awas Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Gramodyaya Yojana. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I am D. Lakshman Swami from Brilliant Grammar High School, 8th class. First of all, international poverty. Poverty means poor people. It is the condition of having very low income. In India, we have 60% poverty rate. Highest state in poverty cases of India is Uttar Pradesh. Poverty is the lack of basic needs of life, including food, shelter, clothing, and safe water. For a person to live normally, it is important to meet a certain level of physical, social, and emotional needs. People who live in poverty, they are not allowed in many places because of their low incomes. It makes the life of full misery and pain. Poor people can't send their child to schools and colleges. They can't afford medicine and hospitals when they're in a danger condition. They die because of inadequate nutrition and treatment. They are exploited by the wealthy and rich people of society. Population growth is the main reason of the rising of poverty. We should keep poverty away, but not poor people. Don't show partiality between the poor and rich. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. This is Varshni from class 9 from Brilliant Grammar High School, Bonagiri branch. Now I want to say about causes of poverty. The rate of poverty in India is increasing because of increasing in urban population. The rural people are migrating to cities to find better employment. The most of these people are unpaid jobs or activities that can pay only for their food. The most of importance around the crores of the urban population below the pool of poverty. The line of the under the population people of the border line of the poor population. Okay, furthermore, there are many reasons to say about population. First point, increasing and poor and agriculture, wide grabbing and so on. So these are the poverty of in India. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself K. Pujastri from class 9th. Elizabeth Convent English Medium High School. Today, it's my pleasure to speak few words about International Day of Eradication of Poverty. It is an international observance celebrated in each year on October 17 throughout the world. This event took place in Paris, France in 1987 when 100,000 people gathered on a human right in 1992. It reproached dialogue and understanding between the people living in poverty and communities at the large. It presents